with woodlandarmory.com, and I am a distributor of S&J Hardware parts in the United States. And what I would like to do today is just run through our no jam followers. All these no jam followers are milled from solid Delrin. They allow you to load the shotgun very easily, almost friction free. They have very sure action cycling, and quite frankly, they're the best follower in the industry, period. It is a small part that belongs inside your shotgun, and it could make or break the performance of your shotgun. So let's go through them. First of all, we have two different Type 1 followers. This Type 1 follower is a universal made for a 20 gauge shotgun. It works great in original Remington 870s. It works great in Mossberg 500 shotguns. It has a dimple on it. It has a tail on it that allows the spring to stay more ordered as it gets compressed. But again, this is a Type 1 20 gauge follower. Then we move up to the Type 1 12 gauge follower. Again, these followers have slots in them, and that allows you to slide them past your dimples if you have dimples in your magazine tube. And again, milled from a solid block of Delrin plastic, very impervious to solvents, very friction-free loading. And this one has a little button on the end so you could feel your magazine tube when it's empty. It also has a tail on it. The tail on it just allows the spring to stay lined up well. Magazine springs are pretty long sometimes, and having the tail on the follower just helps that spring stay kind of well ordered as the spring gets compressed. I like followers with a tail on them for any shotguns that have extended magazine tubes. So again, this is a Type 1 S&J Hardware follower. And then we move up to the Type 2 S&J Hardware follower. It has a hollow cutout in the front of it. It also has a tail on it, which allows that magazine spring to stay lined up well as it gets compressed in that magazine tube. And again, made out of Delrin plastic. It has grooves in it as well to slip past any dimples that might be in a magazine tube. And again, I prefer these on shotguns with an extended magazine tube. Next up, we have the Type 3, made by S&J Hardware. This is our #1 seller. We make these specific for Mossberg shotguns, we make them specific for Remington shotguns, and we make them specific for Beretta shotguns. The A300 and the 1301 are very popular, and we make a Type 3 follower that matches up perfectly in their magazine tubes for friction-free loading and smooth action cycling. And again, these also have grooves in them to slip past the dimples in any magazine tubes. And again, #1 seller, again, milled from a solid block of Delrin plastic. S&J Hardware does a great job making these followers and engineering these followers, and you could find them all at woodlandarmory.com. Next up, we have the Type 4 follower. This is a follower that I had the concept for. It is a follower that they made according to my specifications. And this Type 4 follower fits 20 gauge shotguns, and it especially fits the H&R Partner Pump 20 gauge shotguns. It also fits Winchester SXP shotguns, many Turkish made 20 gauges. This is a Type 4 follower. It also has grooves in it, and it works great in 20 gauge shotguns. Next up, we have the Type 5 follower. And again, this is a product that I brought to the table. It is a Type 5 follower. It works great in Mossberg 930 shotguns, any of the Winchester shotguns. It doesn't matter if you have a 1200, a 1300, or one of the new SXPs, or the Savage Stevens 320 shotgun. This Type 5 is best for all of those shotguns. And again, milled from a solid block of Delrin plastic. I conceived of this product and helped bring it to market. And again, you could find these all at woodlandarmory.com. So Type 5 follower, it has a domed face, works great in Turkish shotguns. And then finally, we have the Type 6. This is a Type 6. There is many Benelli Nova shotguns in existence. The Benelli Nova has been a standout hunting shotgun for decades. but it's never had a good aftermarket follower. So S&J Hardware brought this to the market recently. This is called a Type 6, and it fits Benelli Nova shotguns in 12 gauge. It's also available with a follower and a spring kit, as most of these are. But for the cost of these parts and for how they improve your experience with the shotgun, it's very foolish not to have an S&J Hardware follower in any shotgun that you own. You can see we make many different models. They'll fit just about any shotguns. If you have any questions, email me at scott@woodlandarmory.com, and I will answer your questions as quick as I can. And please go ahead and take a look at our new website, woodlandarmory.com. And here I have a Hatsan Escort Slugger shotgun. It's a Turkish-made shotgun. I have the very fine Magpul SGA stock on there. I'm able to put it on there by using an S&J Hardware stock adapter. I have a side saddle on here with 4 shells, and I just want to show you how easy those followers let you load the shotgun with this follower. It's almost like no friction going in the shotgun. Very smooth and very sure action cycling. I mean, it's an outstanding follower.